Welcome to Mumbai, India's beating heart, a city that pulsates with energy and vibrancy. From the moment you step foot in this metropolis, you are greeted with a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and experiences that are uniquely Mumbai. As the sun sets, Mumbai transforms into a dazzling spectacle of lights and activity. The nightlife here is legendary, with streets that come alive with music, food, and endless entertainment. It's a city that never sleeps, where every corner has a story to tell. Today we're taking you on a walking tour like no other. We'll uncover hidden gems tucked away in narrow alleyways, visit bustling local markets brimming with colors and aromas, and explore vibrant hotspots that capture the essence of Mumbai's spirit. These are the places you won't find in any guidebook, the true heart and soul of the city. Whether you're a first-time traveler eager to discover the magic of Mumbai, or a local looking to see your city through fresh eyes, this journey promises to reveal Mumbai like you've never seen before. We'll meet the people who make this city so special, from street vendors to artists, and hear their stories. So, lace up your walking shoes, grab your camera, and let's embark on an adventure through the heart of Mumbai. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and fall in love with this incredible city all over again. Let's go! We kick things off at the Gateway of India, Mumbai's most iconic landmark. This majestic archway stands tall on the waterfront in the Apollo Bunder area in South Mumbai. It was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to India in 1911. The structure is a fine example of Indo-Saracenic architecture, blending elements of Hindu and Muslim architectural styles. Built in 1924, this grand structure once welcomed British royalty. Now it welcomes millions of visitors. The Gateway of India has witnessed numerous historical events, including the departure of the last British troops from India in 1948, marking the end of British rule. Today, it stands as a symbol of Mumbai's rich history and cultural heritage. And just a short walk away, we hit Marine Drive, a 3.6-kilometer-long boulevard that stretches along the coast of the Arabian Sea. Known as the C-shaped road, it is one of the most picturesque locations in Mumbai. Lined with palm trees, Marine Drive is a popular spot for both locals and tourists to take leisurely strolls and enjoy the scenic views. The perfect spot to catch the sunset and feel the ocean breeze. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, creating a breathtaking view. The gentle ocean breeze provides a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, making it an ideal place to unwind and relax. It's called the Queen's Necklace for a reason, because at night, it sparkles like one. The streetlights along Marine Drive form a dazzling arc resembling a string of pearls. This stunning visual effect has earned it the nickname Queen's Necklace. Whether you visit during the day or night, Marine Drive offers a unique and memorable experience. Next stop, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, one of Mumbai's most iconic landmarks. This architectural marvel is not just a railway station. It's a symbol of the city's rich history and bustling present. A UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the grandeur of the British Raj era. Its intricate design and historical significance make it a must-visit for anyone exploring Mumbai. The station's Gothic architecture, with its pointed arches, turrets, and detailed carvings, looks straight out of a Harry Potter movie. It's a blend of Victorian Gothic revival and traditional Indian architecture, making it unique and mesmerizing. Fun fact: over 3 million commuters pass through this station daily. That's more than the entire population of some countries. Imagine the hustle and bustle, the sea of people, all moving with a purpose. That's the entire population of Chicago, just trying to catch a train. The sheer volume of people is a sight to behold, a testament to Mumbai's never-ending energy and spirit. And right outside, the streets of Mumbai, chaotic, colorful, and endlessly fascinating. The moment you step out, you're greeted by a whirlwind of activity. The streets are alive with the sounds of honking cars, chattering people, and the occasional street performer. You'll find everything here. Street vendors selling spicy vada pav, taxi drivers shouting deals, and shopkeepers enticing you with their colorful wares. The aroma of street food fills the air, making it impossible to resist a quick snack. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a Bollywood shoot happening in the background. Mumbai is the heart of India's film industry, and the streets often double as sets for the next big hit. It's a city where every corner has a story to tell, and every street is a new adventure waiting to be explored. If you love shopping, welcome to Crawford Market, a sensory overload of fruits, spices, and bargain deals. This market has been around since the British era, and it's where locals come for the freshest produce and the best street food. Pro tip: don't leave without trying fresh mangoes, especially during summer. They taste like liquid sunshine. Next, we hit Colaba Causeway, Mumbai's version of Fifth Avenue. If Fifth Avenue had killer street bargains and non-stop energy, whether you're into vintage jewelry, funky clothes, or quirky souvenirs, this is the place to shop till you drop. And if you need a break, there's always a charming cafe waiting for you. Ever wondered where Mumbai's laundry gets done? Welcome to Dhobi Ghat, the world's largest open-air laundry. Thousands of workers wash, dry, and iron clothes by hand, and they've been doing this for over 140 years. Just watching them at work is mesmerizing. No Mumbai tour is complete without a little Bollywood magic. We're in Bandra, home to some of India's biggest film stars. This area is filled with street art, historic bungalows, and Instagram-worthy spots. And if you're lucky, you might just spot a celebrity grabbing coffee. Finally, let's talk about food, because Mumbai's street food is legendary. At Muhammad Ali Road, you'll find the best kebabs, biryanis, and desserts. From juicy Sikh kebabs to creamy Malai kulfi, this place is a food lover's dream. Pro tip: arrive hungry. And just like that, we've walked through the heart of Mumbai, a city of dreams, chaos, and endless surprises. But there's still so much more to explore. If you loved this adventure, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more epic travel content. Until next time, keep exploring. Which part of Mumbai do you want to see next? Comment below.